Assalamualaikum. If you are looking for a use case diagram for an automatic assessment tool for programming assignments, then this video is only for you. Automatic assignment evaluation. This is the AI based application that will check the programming assignments of C++ language on the basis of different already defined rules. So let's start. I've already made a system boundary for a use case diagram. Teacher can upload an assignment, or a teacher can also download assignment file. Third use case is define evaluation criteria. This use case represents that teacher can define the evaluation criteria of each uploaded assignment, which includes functionality and quality of code. Next use case is evaluate code. Also, I'm making another actor which is student. Let me connect first teacher with use cases. If you are making a use case diagram, make sure it looks clean, because project manager or even project supervisor can check easily. In this diagram, I have included another system actor. System can execute code. It means the application should be able to execute the code and test it with predefined inputs and expected outputs. The application should have automated testing of correctness of the submitted solution on the basis of rules provided by the teacher. So for this, I'm making a use case automated testing of correctness. Notify result and get notifications means on declaration of result, students should get notification on their account. Get notification use case is connected to student actor and notify with the system. This application will check all the syntax error, and also this application will provide feedback after checking. Auto assignment evaluation application should be web based, which can be integrated to any LMS later. LMS means learning management system. The application should auto-generate feedback for students. Provide a grading rubric. Also, this application will highlight all the errors. So this is the use case diagram for auto assignment evaluation. This is artificial intelligence based application that will check the programming assignments of C++ language on the basis of different already defined rules. Make sure to subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Also like my videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.